I've been carrying these lights for the last 2 weeks and I already know which one I'm keeping in my pocket and which one's going in the gear bin. Hey, what's going on, guys? Mikey Messina here with Mikey Daily Carry, and today we're doing a head-to-head comparison between the Olight ArkPro and the ArkPro Lite. They are two flat-style EDC lights that look similar but are absolutely built for different types of carriers. Now, quick disclosure, Olight did send these lights to me for review, but as always, my thoughts are 100% honest, unfiltered, and based on real world use. If something's great, I'm going to say it. If something is not so great, I'm going to say that too. And before I get started, yes, I know I posted a short unboxing of the ArkPro and called it the Arkfeld, and the comment section just went crazy. Listen, I get a lot of gear, and sometimes my dad brain misfires. If that one mistake ruined your whole week, no worries. You can skip the video, or hey, make some videos yourself and we'll learn together. So what are these before I jump into this? Olight basically took their popular Arkfeld design and leveled it up with the ArkPro series, then trimmed some features and called it the ArkPro Lite. Both are pocket friendly, both are slim, both have that new USB-C charging plus magnetic charging, but they serve two different types of people. First, let's talk about the ArkPro. I actually did a review video on this, but I'm just going to do a real quick rundown of the specs and what you can expect from this light. So it does have a maximum output of 1500 lumens. In addition to that, it does come with a floodlight, a spotlight, and a UV mode. It also has on the side here a green laser pointer that has two different modes.
Now let's talk about the ArkPro. So I have this in the UV mode. This is the low setting. That is the higher setting. Now let's go to the floodlight. That's low, medium, high. Turn that off, double click. And now let's move it on to the spotlight, which is low, medium, high, double click, turbo. And then this is your laser. And that is what you get with the ArkPro.
This is more of the higher, I want to say premium feel, and it's best for the people that want literally everything in one slim flat flashlight. Now let's go over the specs of the ArkPro Lite. This has a maximum output of 1200 lumens. It does have only a white mode, and that is 1 lumen, 15 lumens, 60 lumens, 350 lumens, and then 1200 lumens. It does come with a red light mode, which is huge for like night vision and camping tent use. And it also does have a UV mode as well. You do lose out on that green laser, and you do lose out on the extra white light. But it is cheaper, it's more simple, and it's very capable for an EDC light.
Okay, so in my hand I have the ArkPro Lite, and I'm going to start with the UV mode. That's low, and then that's high. Okay, now let's go to the white light. That's low, medium, high. Turn it off, double click is turbo. All right, and then now let's go to the red mode. That's low, and then that's high. So that's what you get out of the ArkPro Lite.
So now let's talk about like what you gain and what you lose when you go with one or the other. Starting off with the ArkPro. The ArkPro has a stronger output. It has better long-range throw, and it has a flood plus spotlight versatility. It has that built-in green laser right here. It feels more premium, I want to say, just in my opinion, and it's a lot more feature-packed. But you lose out on that red light mode. You also lose out on a lower price tag and it being slightly thinner and a simpler UI. Now, if you go with the ArkPro Lite, you save money. You get that red mode that's on this light. It also still gets 1200 lumens, which is very strong. You still get that UV mode, and you still get that magnetic charging. It also still has that very slim pocket profile, which I feel is a lot thinner than the ArkPro. Now, who each one is for. Choose this, the ArkPro, which is the full version, if you actually need a laser. Perfect for teachers or professors who have presentations, pointing things out, professional tasks, things of that nature. If you use flood plus spot output often, this light is good for you. And if you just want the absolute most feature-packed light, then this is the complete version right here, and that's the ArkPro. Also, if you don't mind paying a little extra for the maxed out EDC light or features, then ArkPro is the one for you. But on the other hand, you want to choose the ArkPro Lite if you're an everyday EDC user, you don't care so much with all the extra features, you want a great light without all the bells and whistles, you value more of the red light versus the laser, and if you want something a little bit more budget friendly, this guy's going to be a good option for you. And also, if you just want a simple, clean, reliable carry, this is a great option, which is the ArkPro Lite. So here's my honest take after carrying these two lights for the last 2 weeks. The ArkPro Lite is honestly better for the average EDC person. It has everything that I actually use on a day-to-day basis. The red mode is really nice. I really like that versus a white light when I'm trying to find things as well, because it's a little better on my eyes personally. And then it's also good for camping. If you have kids that are sleeping and you don't want to blind them with a white light, that red light is really good for you. I mean, there's just a bunch of things, like you name it. But the ArkPro, the full ArkPro with my logo, by the way, is just super awesome. Like, it's one of those things where it lands with my philosophy of buy nice or buy twice. If you want everything, you want the laser, you want the dual flood spotlight, and you use that regularly, you want something for more of a professional use, then this light is the one to go with, which is the one that I honestly prefer. I mean, neither is bad. It's just this one here aligns with my daily carry. Like, I actually use a laser to mess with my kids sometimes and throw a laser around the wall and they go crazy and they want to see it more. I also use the UV light. I actually just went on a trip for my birthday this past weekend to Vegas. We had a hotel, flashed that UV light all over the bathroom, the bed, floors, whatever it is. I like this light. It's basically everything I need in an EDC light. Plus, they added that USB-C charging, which is an absolute game changer. I will drop the links for both of these lights down in the description so you can check out the pricing, colors, and specs. I didn't really throw pricing out there because right now, at the time that I dropped this video, it's going to be around Black Friday time. So there's going to be a lot of deals going on, especially if you have an Olight membership and a user login. I think you get an extra discount on their site. If not, you can create one. And then I think the prices are the same with Olight and Amazon right now. So I'll have all those links in the description down below. Yes, I am an Olight affiliate. I'm also an Amazon's affiliate. So I do have a code. I'm not sure if it's going to work on top of the discount that they're already running, but that Black Friday sale that they got going on is already pretty crazy. If you do use the links down below, you do help me and the channel out. So I really appreciate that. Guys, if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe if you're new to my channel, and comment down below, which of these would you carry? ArkPro, ArkPro Lite? I really would like to know. As always, carry with purpose, carry with confidence. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Walk, pat.